Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you get the dark mode on Snapchat, and this works for both iPhone and Android. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we're gonna go on to our Snapchat app, and before we jump right into it, I need you guys to make sure of one thing, because this could be a compatibility issue as well, right? So if you're using a really old phone, for example, when dark mode wasn't really introduced, or the newer updates don't support the dark modes, then there's a possibility that this might not work. But let's just jump right into it, whatever we know about this. So if you actually go to your settings and then you go to support and then you press I need help, you can actually look for a bunch of things that you might not know. For example, dark mode. If I search for dark mode, there's a whole description that you can press settings, and there's tab on app appearance, and then you can select the always dark. So I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna search for it. Let me see where it is. It should be up somewhere. Okay, not here. App appearance. Oh my god, why cannot? So it's right here, and you see right now I have always dark enabled, and you can always make it to match system, and then I can change my system to not dark, and then my app will change accordingly. So that is how you change the app appearance, and that is how it works on Android as well. So you need to make sure that if it's not working from here, and you can always change your dark mode from here as well, from your system settings. If it's on Android, there it would be a little different, but you could find it. And that is how this works. Just make sure that your phone just supports this dark interface, so you should be good to go. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.